So once you have an image in VNR, you need to start working with it. The first thing you need to do is open the image. By default, Dump Viewer opens into Bitmap View. The ribbon allows you to toggle between various views, functions, and settings. The views you'll end up using most frequently are Hex View, Bitmap View, and Structure View. The next thing over here in Bitmap Viewer is the pixel size. Pixel size allows you to increase or decrease the pixel size, which will increase or decrease the resolution of Bitmap Viewer. Highlight blocks highlights blocks on boundaries as defined by the block size in Structure Viewer. Show structure highlights records within Structure Viewer. Bit order changes the endianness of a byte. Selection markers over here let you manually specify selected bits. Down here to the bottom right, this is how many pixels to jump by. So if you want to scroll by more pixels, you can choose it here. So in Hex Viewer, everything's the same. The most common things are PMB, which are shortcuts for the page size and block size as defined in Structure Viewer. Current frame allows you to quickly jump between areas as divided by the page and block size. So over here there are 7DF blocks, and it lets you quickly jump between blocks, or if you wanted you could jump between pages. Navigator lets you jump to a specific address. Over here, it's similar to frame size. These are shortcuts for block size and page size as defined in Structure Viewer. These buttons over here will take you to the beginning of a block or page. The Find feature, it lets you search by text, or if you want to search by hexadecimal, you click here. Hexadecimal bytes are delineated by a space. If you want to search by offset, the values here are in decimal.